How to fix Instagram feed not showing new posts on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then if you found here update, click on it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, this one for Android users. Now click for stop and go to storage, click clear data. You will need to log into your accounts after that, but that will fix your problem. And if you have an iPhone, just delete your Instagram and install it again, and then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.